Nigerian rapper Eedris Abdulkareem has released a new song called Ojoro INEC, where he strongly criticized the Independent National Electoral Commission. The song was released on Friday, 30th of May 2025, and quickly became a hot topic on social media. In the song, Eedris accuses INEC of not being independent and claims it's working under the influence of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration. He questions the Commission's decision about voter registration and the use of electronic voting.
Ojoro INEC? Why do you think the INEC is working for Tinubu and the APC Eedris Abdulkareem?
If the president is sure that he is not emasculating INEC, then let him immediately sanction 1. Electronic voting, 2. Diasporan voting, 3. That only PVC and not ID card be used for voting, 4. INEC should start the registration of new political parties immediately, because that is how true democracy works.
Many Nigerians share their opinion online. Some people praised Eedris Abdulkareem for speaking up, while others criticized the song rhythm and lyrics.
It be like say, I ain't the work for Tinubu. It be like say, I ain't the work for APC. It be like say, I ain't the work for Tinubu.
The song comes just weeks after Eedris Abdulkareem released another controversial song, Tell Your Papa, aimed at Sheyi Tinubu, the president's son. The song was later banned by the National Broadcasting Commission, NBC. Eedris also claimed that someone tried to bribe him with 200 million naira to stay quiet about political issues, but he refused. In a post on Instagram, Eedris wrote, Ojoro INEC eschews INEC dependency on the current administration and its errand boy status to the ruling party. Despite mixed reactions and public backlash, Eedris says he won't stop speaking out through his music. While he has made this determination, he will continue to supply you more real-time news updates and exclusive videos. Share your opinion in the comment box section below, and please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.